My name is Jochen, I come from Germany. I found my way to Tantra basically with a former friend of mine. I started with a Tantra Massage therapist course in 2015. That was my first encounter with Somananda. I was looking for somebody who could give me like a structure and an A to Z kind of a roadmap. And this is what he does really perfectly and what I enjoy very much. And this is why I follow his teachings and his seminars. Right from the beginning I felt very much attracted to meditation and to the more intellectual things. The benefits of the Trika retreat for me personally was I had quite a health issue when I came here. My blood pressure was dangerously high. My doctor actually recommended not to enter a plane for 6 hours and subscribe some meditation. I did enter the plane, did not take the pills, came here, and yeah, for the first 10 days I can say that my blood pressure with all the meditation, with all the peace up here in the hills, reduced a lot. Now that the course is almost finished, I can definitely say that it's down to normal. I measure it every day. I was starting measuring before and after meditation. So when I did a meditation in the evening, I tested my blood pressure when I was completely relaxed and calmed down, and after half an hour again. And that also, just the meditation, reduced again the blood pressure significantly. I lost 9 kilograms in 3.5 weeks. But I think that also the meditation and all the lectures and being together in such a spiritual environment added a lot to the benefits of calming down, internalizing, and just thinking about oneself. When I came here, I said, hey, you have to come back to where you started like 2.5 years ago, physically. And in the moment I feel really well. I incorporate Tantra in my everyday life, like you start thinking in a different way and you start making different decisions. The decisions that you start to make you happier. The biggest impact on me so far is this contemplative way of living. It's a better way, it's a better life that you gain from it. My advice for people who are interested in the topic is just start with it, do it. I can tell from my experience that with Somananda you have a great teacher, you have somebody who is very authentic, and I'm quite sure that all the people that were firstly interested and just gave it a try with an open mind, they all came back, all of them.